Alright, in this Degent crazy yield farming video, I'm going to show you how you can earn over 3000% APR for a monthly base and around 100% APR on a daily base. That is crazy Degent play, so make sure you understand that this is a high risk. Only put very small Degent gambling money, okay? Because a lot of people ask me, I don't want to earn 0.2, 0.5, 0.8, 1% a day. Well, that's amazing. People ask me, like, give me some Degent play. Well, here you are, some Degent play. So this token is called Miggles. This is not paid review. This is nothing like that. I don't even know how long this token going to be, okay? This is high risk. So Miggles, okay? If you go to, let me see. By the way, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. Make sure you never, ever put more money you can afford to lose, because this is crypto and you can lose everything. Let me just move my face right now here, because you will, let me just move my face right there, because you cannot see the screen. So what I find out today, I was doing my research for some pools, and I'm using usually DeFi Krystal, but if you go for DeFi Krystal today, you will see that the top trading on base chain, again, this is Degent play. Please understand the risk, okay? I did see Miggles 5000% APR and USDC Miggles over 1000% APR. This APR going to drop down a lot when the trading volume going down, but the trading volume so far is 27 million trading volume in 24 hours, and they earn, the Uniswap earned 268,000 in fees. So these fees are split between Uniswap and also everybody who provide here this small liquidity of 2 million liquidity. What is not small. Now, I did provide liquidity in WETH with Miggles and also USDC with Miggles, okay? Only risk capital. I'm thinking in my head, this is strictly gambling, okay? This is not a good play. This is a very Degent play. Why? Because I don't know who the heck is Mr. Miggles. I know that the community is growing up like crazy. Somebody mentioned from base chain that something from Miggles, somebody create a token, and there we go. The token is blow up. I just checked, the token was launched 4 days ago, let's say in around 001, and just right now when I'm doing this video, did 100x. So congratulations for everybody who got in. I am up already 8%. Yay! Good for now. Probably tomorrow will be dropped 40%. But that's my point here, is let's make some money when the hype is here. Again, Degent play, understand the risk. Also, let's go and let's see how we can earn and what range we can potentially go. Make sure you understand that if you watch my video from yesterday for Lumia notes, they are exploding. Go and check that out. It's extremely very good, valuable information for Lumia notes. If anybody's interested, they already sold 4,321, and I'm doing giveaways for everybody who using my code to get some notes. Now, I also put here 2 hot crypto notes, and go and watch my video, subscribe if you like, leave me a comment and let me know about this crazy Degent play. And let's see how much money we can earn, and that's going like here. So I'm using this tool, it's called Krystal app, okay? I'm going to leave the link down in the description, and you can go and check. This is with USDC, and I'm saying, okay, if this price if the price go down 40%, and if the price go up, let's say double than here, okay, so I'm giving huge range of 140%, I'm going to earn at this moment 2,500% APR. I hope you can see this. Let me see if you can see. Let me just move my face right here, and there we go. And you can see here this percentage is 2,500% APR or 30,000% APR. That's crazy for a year. But again, understand, this is going to change in 24 hours. This can be pretty much double down or maybe double up if the trading volume is up. So this is high risk. So what about if we play, let's say you go, if the token drop 50% down, and maybe we'll go up 200%, okay? Check this out. You say, okay, I want to be in this huge 250% range, and then each time when the trading happens, you're going to earn fees. You're going to earn fees on a daily basis around 58%. Daily basis. Monthly 1,600. That's crazy. So this is where I'm playing. I put my my range around -30 and plus around 100. So I'm earning something like here, so around 2,600 for a month, or around 80% a day. So my goal is to ROI in the next couple of days, take out the money, and everything is bank money. I put on small risk capital. So this is with USDC, but let's check with where was that? Give me a second. Oh, where'd it go? Give me a second. Miggles with Ethereum. Okay, this is on base chain, so that's the good stuff. Make sure you put here Miggles. All right, so against Ethereum, and let's say you play around that you want to put, let's say 100% up with Ethereum, and then down, let's say around 30% down. All right, so you're going to earn a day 14% APR. So you see the difference, okay? Why? Because in USDC the liquidity is much less. That means that the APR is much higher. It depends with the trading volume. But if you compare here, this one is not bad at all. We talk about 400% in a month. But don't look like that. This APR going to fluctuate. If this token stay alive, hopefully will be here in the next few days time. So that is my play for today, a Degent play. Again, make sure you understand it's a high, extremely risk. But if you, some people, actually one of my mates is here, he's in front of the computer and he put around 20% up and 20% down, and he's following the price all the time, and he is earning around, give me a second, and he play on USDC. Let me just check USDC. So he's playing around 20% up and 20% down, something like that. But he's in front of the computer all the time, and he is earning around 1,140% APR a day. Okay, so maybe this is a good play if you're in front of the computer. If not, just get out. Don't even worry. This is a Degent play. All right, that's about it for this video. Thank you so much. This is just a crazy, guys. Like where else you can see a token doing 100x in 4 days time? Let me just open the chart. Where was the chart? There we go. Mr. Miggles, 100x in 4 days time. That's crazy. It was a nice dip here, 007, and that was today, this morning at midnight. I didn't get in. I bought here somewhere, and you can see blow up here all the way to 11.6. So drop down, and now it's going up. So it's just meme token. All right, love you all. See you in the next one.